Hello, this is Mikel Campos and welcome to another video about mGear. Today I would like to talk about the alternative installations for mGear. I received some emails and some comments on my website about some people who has issues to install mGear. So let's see what we can do. So first I have here Maya 2014 and I have my mGear install. So I'm gonna uninstall it. So first just close Maya, and I have here prepared on my my documents Maya 2014. In models, I have my mGear model. So this is the default installation that I recommend, but some people has issues. So I'm just gonna delete this and reopen Maya. So we should don't see the menu here anymore. So we don't have mGear install, as well as the solvers should be not there anymore. So I have plenty plugins there, but not mGear anywhere. Great. So let's install it again. So the alternative installation that I will recommend, it's just like a Maya Classic installation for plugins. Just copy everything on your documents Maya. So first I have here ready my download from Gumroad, and I'm just gonna uncompress this one. This is the same file that you should get on Gumroad. Then I'm gonna select here my Windows 2014, and I'm gonna go to plugins and take my solvers copy, or just gonna do with a mouse copy, and come here with the plugins and paste. Oh, looks like I have it before, sorry. But anyway, you copy like that manually. Then you go to scripts, and hopefully I don't have here any plugin. Well, you have, I mean, I have plenty plugins, but not the mGear one. So let's go there, scripts, and I take everything that is here, and same thing, just copy and come here and paste. And I have my user setup. This user setup, just let me cancel this one, or just copy both just in case. But normally, let's see where I have these ones. Okay, I have this one. The first one, it's the this one, just to double check if someone have the same issue that you have the user setup. This is the first user setup that you can see. Let me close this. Oops. It's the null one, and you have the other one. It's here. That is the new one. This one. It's the actually it's trying to load your menu. So basically, what it's doing, it's just import mGear menu, create the menu, and using the execute defer to load the menu. Basically what execute defer does, it's just when you telling Maya, when you have time, when you don't try to do something else, just try to load the menu. It's just a simple way to optimize the loading of Maya. So great, because I know that the old one I don't need it. In case you have another one from other your personal configuration or something else, you can just copy paste this part on your other one and it will load everything. But just for the demo, I'm just gonna delete the old one, and I'm just gonna rename this one like that. You should not do that. I mean, if it's not needed if you don't have it like that, but just in case someone have it. So let's try to reload Maya again, and it should load the menu. If not, we have another way to do it. So it's loading everything, and here is the menu. So that's the like a classic way to install mGear on Maya if you don't want to use the modules. And this should work for all the operative systems. And later, if we go settings, plugin manager, and then I should check carefully now. Yeah, it's here, it's loaded. I know also by some feedback I had for OS X users or Mac users that this is not loaded by default. You need to come here and activate it by default. I don't know why exactly. It's the same code for both Windows and Macintosh, but I don't have access to test properly on Mac, so I honestly I don't know what can happen, but it's just coming here and load it. So everything it's working, but let's say for any reason I come here, I'm just gonna rename this like something like no. So now when I load Maya again, should skip this, I think. And yeah, so we don't have mGear menu anymore because I changed the name of my user setup to user setup no. So if I come back here to my text editor, and I see that basically what it's doing is these two lines here. So let's see if I come here and run the same script straightforward on my script editor. So first import the mGear menu and later load the menu. Boom, it's back again. So if you have any issues because it's not loading, because your user setup it's compromised with another plugins, or you just don't want to have two user setups, you don't need the user setup. You can just delete this, bye. So next time you need to load the menu, just create a shelf button for this and just call mGear, and voila, we have it for next time. You just need to click here and you're gonna get loaded. And if you have issues and it's giving errors, like for example some menus are not loading or other stuff, another thing that you can try to do, it's to check if it's all the mGear libraries are correctly loaded. The mGear libraries are on the scripts mGear, these libraries here. So to be sure, you just need to, I'm just gonna open another tab, and you need to import mGear and run it. So I'm just gonna make it bigger. Import mGear and run it. So it's loading, it's not giving any error. Like if I misspell gears here and I'm just gonna execute again, it's gonna give an error. So if you receive this kind of error when you try to do this, means that something else it's wrong here, or sorry, where is my other, oh, I just closed it, but something else is going on there. So then just mGear and again just run it and it's correctly loaded. And the same for the menu. Let me do this bigger for you. So import mGear underscore menu, mGear underscore menu dot create menu. These two lines, it's gonna populate the menu for you. And if you still have issues loading mGear, please send me an email. I will try to help. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.